Good morning children, welcome to English class. Okay, in last class we have completed our first lesson, third lesson exercises. Okay, till where we have completed children in companion 3D I have given you as homework. Right children? Okay, you all are did with your homework also, and today I am giving one more homework children everyone. See there, draw lines to match the people given below with the actions they do. That means what you have to do here, they have given 4 persons. What are those 4 persons? Tell me along with spelling also. Page number 28, everyone open it and tell me along with spellings. Okay, see, Tailor, 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 and Cobbler, Cobbler, Cobbler. Okay, and next, Mother, Mother, Mother. Then next, Security Guard, Security, Security Guard, Guard, Guard. Everyone tell these words along with me children. Tailor, Cobbler, Mother, Security Guard. Okay children, what the thing you have to do is, here they have given 4 persons and some action words they have given in the middle. Okay, they have given some action words. Now what you have to do is children, you have to match to the actions to the person what they will do. Okay, that means here what the tailor will do, tailor will stitches our dresses. Right children, you have to match the stitches word to tailor. What the cobbler will do, children, cobbler will mends. Okay, mends are slippers and cobbler will repairs our slippers also. Okay, shoes also. Okay, cobbler, to the actions you have to do. What our mother will do children? Mother will cooks food, mother will exercises, mother cleans food, okay, cleans the house, and mother mops. All the actions whatever our mother will do in our home, you have to match to the name mother. And next, security guard. What security guard will do children? He will help us and he will guards. Yes or no? Like this we have to do children. Tailor, cobbler, mother, security guard, and what the actions they are doing. Okay, they will do. To that one you have to match it. Okay, that is your homework children in page number 28, 3E. Okay, 3E is your homework, everyone note it down. Okay, and next let's go with the class children. Okay, now open your studio children. We have taken homework in companion, right? Now everyone open studio, page number 45, 3.9. Okay, everyone open 3.9. Okay, see children. Choose an object in your class. Your partner will state what the object is. He or she must also tell you what one can do with the object. For example, your partner has picked a pencil. He or she will say, "This is a pencil. I draw with it." Choose 2 objects and talk about them. Write 2 sentences describing the objects you choose here. See children, what the thing here is, in your classroom some things will be there. Now you are not there in the class, but no problem, listen. In the classroom some objects will be there. What the objects will be there? Board, table, chair, benches, books, bags, pencils. Okay, all these are the objects, things, right? Now what the thing you have to do is, you have to take one object and you have to tell with that object what you will do with that. Okay, that means here it's telling one person, he have taken pencil and he is telling what? This is a pencil, I draw with it. Like that he is telling. Now like that you have to take 2 more objects and you have to write 2 sentences. Okay, I will help you children. You write, and while I'm writing, you have to read, children. Then only you will get, and try to write in cursive writing only. Okay, try to write in cursive writing only. Do more practice, children. Okay, let's see. I'm taking pen. Okay, pen also will be there in the classroom, right? See, THIS. This IS is a pen. Okay, this is a pen. I write with it. I-W-R-I-T-E. Write with W-I-T-H with. Okay, I write with it. Like that, write down everyone, children. This is a pen. I write with it. Next one. Next, what is this? Book. What we will do with the book, children? We will read the book, right? Next, this, THIS, this is a book. B-O-O-K. Book. I read the book. I read. R-E-A-D. Read the book. Okay, children, is it clear? See, this is a pen. I write with it. This is a book. I read the book. Like that, you have to write, children. Write down everyone these two things. Okay, while you are writing, you have to maintain finger gap between two words, and you have to write with cursive writing only. Okay, children, do more practice, you will get. And next, turn your pages, children. Summaries they have given. See, in summary, children, what is there? Tell me. Complete the mind map given below. Okay, here they have given mind map. Two sides they have given. That means, see here, they have given like this. What they have given? Read. Verbs. V-R-B-S. Verbs. We have learned in this lesson only. And next, one more topic we have learned. What is it? Simple present tense. Okay, simple present tense we have learned in this class, children. Okay, now what you have to do is, what are the action words? For example, dance, play. Write 4 verbs here. That means you have to write 4 verbs here. You have to write. Already they have given dance, play also. Now let's write some more. Write like this. They have given blanks, no? 4. Write there, children, everyone. Read along with me. W-R-I-T-E. Write. S-I-N-G. Sing. L-A-U-G-H. Laugh. E-A-T. Eat. Okay, like this you have to write. Write, sing, laugh, eat. Okay, children. Next, what is it? What is it means? What is the simple present tense? Sentences that talk about the things we do usually. Yes or no? The things we will do usually can be called as simple present tense. For example, I sleep at 9 o'clock every day. When I will sleep every day? At 9 o'clock. This will comes under simple present tense. Like that, you have to write 3 sentences here, children. I will help you write down. See, first sentence, I sing for an hour every day. I sing. S-I-N-G. Sing. F-O-R. For. A-N-R. I sing for an hour every day. Like this, you have to write in first one. Okay, write small letters, then only the space will be sufficient for you. I sing for an hour every day. And next, see. I play for some time in the evenings. I play for. I play. for some time in the evenings. 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 Okay, I play for some time in the evenings. Okay, this is, don't get confused children. This first one, second one and third. Not third one, even third one. Okay, third one we have to write still. I feed my dog every day. What you will do every day? I feed. Feed means we will feed, no tinipinchadam. Okay, I feed my dog every day. Okay children, sing. Everyone read along with me. I sing for an hour every day. I play for some time in the evenings. I feed my dog every day. Like this, you have to do the summary exercise children. Here we have written 4 verbs and 3 sentences in simple present tense. Now, project time is there children. Project is there. Everyone open your companion 3F. Open companion everyone. Okay children, see in 3F project time it's there. Let's see what the project is. In the table below, list as many verbs as you can that begin with each letter. Examples are given for you. That means you have to write verbs children, action words as many as you can. That means here you have to fill this table with the verbs, and what the thing you have to do is the verbs should start with the letters they have given. See how many letters they have given? 4 letters they have given. What are those? S, T, C and P. 4 letters they have given. You have to write the verbs. It should start with these letters children. Okay, let's see what you will do. In evening you will sleep. Sleeping is also an action. Tell the spelling. S-L-E-E-P. Sleep. And next one, skip. S-K-I-P. Skip. S-I-T. Sit. S-H-O-W. Show. S-E-E. See. S-E-L-L. Sell. Okay children, again read. Sleep, skip, sit, show, see, sell. Okay, while you are writing you have to read. And next, T letter. T, tell, T-E-L-L. Tell, T-A-L-K. Talk, T-A-K-E. Take, T-A-P. Tap, T-H-R-O-W. Throw, T-I-E. Tie. Okay, everyone read once again. Tell, talk, take, tap, throw, tie. Okay, next letter is C. C means see. Call. C-A-L-L. Call. C-L-I-M-B. Climb. C-H-A-S-E. Chase. C-A-T-C-H. Catch. C-H-E-W. Shoe. C-L-A-T. Clap. Once again read with me. Call, climb, chase, catch, chew, clap. Okay, next letter is P. Let's see. P. Play. You all like playing now? Play. P-L-A-Y. Play. P-R-E-E. Press. P-I-C-K. Pick. P-L-U-C-K. Pluck. P-U-L-L. Pull. P-U-T. Put. Okay children, read along with me. Play, press, pick, pluck, pull, put. Like this you have to complete the table they have given in the project time, children. Okay, is it clear everyone? Write down this. And next after that they have given, see what they have given, children. Choose three verbs from those you have listed. That means you have to choose three verbs whatever you have listed in the table. All those are verbs only? Yes, all those are verbs. You have to choose three verbs, children. Frame sentences of your own using each verb. That means you have to take three verbs from the table and you have to frame three sentences as you like. Let's see. I will write, children. Just note it down and practice. Okay. See first one. I throw the ball at my friend. Throw is there in the table as it's there. THROW. Throw. I throw the ball at my friend. Write down. I throw the BALL ball at MY my friend. Okay, I throw the ball at my friend, children. And next one, see, I see rainbow in the sky. I see the rainbow in the sky. Next one, I see, see, I see the rainbow in the sky. SKY, sky. Okay. I throw the ball at my friend. I see the rainbow in the sky. And next one, I climb the stairs at my home. I climb the stairs at my home. I climb, CLIMB, climb the stairs, STAIR, stairs at my home. Okay, children. See, I throw the ball at my friend. I see the rainbow in the sky. I climb the stairs at my home. See, here we have used these verbs: throw, see, climb. Okay, children, write down and remember that while you are writing, you have to read also. This is about today's English class, children. The homework I have given you is you have to do 3E. Okay, 3E, page number 28. Do the homework and send it to me. Okay, children, thank you so much. Have a nice day.